Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will be showing you guys how I install this lace front wig that I purchased off Amazon from the company Chosen Hair. I will leave the link in the description box below. I got it in the color green. I'm showing you guys that it have 3 combs, no comb in the nape area. So now I'm just clipping the hair out the way so I can get ready to start cutting my lace. If you're a beginner, I feel that you should cut it into 3 sections because it will help you lay the lace better. So now I'm going in with the Ghost Bond Glue. I did go in and do 2 layers of this Ghost Bond Glue. Then I went in and blow dried it. You know, blow drying it makes your glue dry faster, so you don't have to wait too long to, you know, lay down the lace. So now I'm cutting the edge tabs to make sure that the frontal fits my head. This wig is big head friendly, just letting you guys know, because y'all can see in the back, you can see the little white piece is just hanging. And I got the drawstring on and it's still big, but yeah. And as you can see, I'm just doing the same thing all around the front part of the unit. Okay, now I'm going in and cutting the lace off. You want to try to cut the lace as close as possible to the hairline. Now I'm going in with the Ebin spray. It's a lace spray that works really good. It helps give it an extra hold on top of the Ghost Bond Glue. Okay, y'all, right there what I just showed y'all, you can see the white threading was a con that I did not like. My solution for that is, if you get any color wig, whatever color wig you get, I feel that you should go and get some, what is it called, the Adore dye, and do the watercolor method to dye the threading of the hair to the color of the wig you have. And you shouldn't see the white threading anymore. It should be the color of your wig. So I just went in and sprayed it, as you will see in the next clip. But y'all already know I got this hair just for the weekend only. But yeah, I sprayed it and get it all nice and stiff so it won't move. And yeah, I was good to go, baby. So I didn't really have a problem with it. Alright, now it's time for the baby hairs. So I'm just going to go ahead and tell you guys about the wig. It's a 24-inch. The color is green. I like the wig. I love everything about the wig besides the thread and that it was really big. But the color was a plus. The hair was super soft. The lace was super soft. More on the white side. If you are more on the dark side, then you should probably add some foundation to your lace to get it to blend and match your skin better. But overall, the wig, I give it a 8.10 because I mean, it just was the white threading that I didn't like, and it's really big. Other than that, y'all, it was a really good wig. And like I said, it was only for the weekend. So yeah, guys, I would most definitely recommend this wig if you know how to customize units. And I also thinned the hair out. I didn't show that part on the camera because the hair was really full and thick. Now I'm going in and trying to get my hair as flat as possible. Clean up my pot a little bit. Here's the part I was showing you how much hair I razor out. It was a lot. But thank you guys for watching my video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.